Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free 5,000 profit account for you to start trading for free in 2025 without you having to deposit any amount. You don't have to deposit any amount at all. Alright, but before we start, I would like to explain to you the offers that we offer on this YouTube channel. So what we do is that we give free money to people for them to be able to start trading for free without them depositing any amount, and so that they can withdraw their profit from that money. All right, so we also give free no deposit bonus, which is also known as you don't have to deposit any amount at all, but you can be able to withdraw their profit. And also in our Telegram channel, we always drop a money making update for people to start making money, people who are into Forex and people who are not into Forex, for them to start making money every day. So if you know that you are new to this channel, make sure you take a moment right now and subscribe, so that I will be motivated to drop more video for you guys. And if you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I really appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. Now to proceed, the first thing you have to do is for you to know that the link to claim this bonus will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. So make sure you go there, click on it, and once you click on it, it will redirect you back to my Telegram channel, where you are going to have the exact link to claim this 5,000 profit account. So once you click on it, it will take you to this platform showing up right here on my screen. As you can see, this is the platform. So once you get to this platform, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your first name, your last name, your email or your username, your password, confirm your password, and click on register. So now let me just do mine and I will teach you the next thing you have to do. So once you are done with that, this is where it's going to take you. As you can see right here on my screen, I am done with mine and it brought me to this part. And as you can see, congratulations, you are now part of XUMN community. Start using this platform. You must verify your email address. Go to your email address. So what we are going to do right now is for us to go to our email address to verify and activate our account. So let's go there. And as you can see, now we've received an email from them. We've received a message from them, and this is where we are going to confirm our email address. Let me circle it for you guys to see clearly. So this is it over here. So just click on this link. But before I click on this link, I want you to note something down right now. You don't need to verify your KYC before you can be able to claim your free 5,000 profit account and start trading. All right. So I just want you to note that. Now to proceed, click on this, on the confirm your address that I just circled. So click on it and wait for it to load. And as you can see, we have been redirected back to this place. The next thing for you to do is for you to enter the email that you used to register and the password that you used to register. And once you're done with that, click on sign in. So let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So as you can see, the moment we entered, this is what they will bring out for you. All right, this is what they are going to bring out for you. Welcome to XUMN, the first trader accelerator. Our goal is to support blah blah blah. But what they are trying to tell you is that you can use this demo account to learn how to trade. All right, you can use this demo account to learn how to trade. So make sure you stick to the end of this video, because the platform you are going to be using to trade is not a platform that you are familiar with, but I will teach you how you can log in on it. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on anything. All right, so stick to the end of this video, guys. So now let's proceed to the process of claiming this free profit account, because our balance is still $0. All right, let me show you. This is our balance over here and it is still $0. So now I'll be showing you how you can get your free profit account. So now, in order for you to get your free $5,000 profit account, the next thing you have to do is for you to click on this three line up here. I'm coming, guys. Click on this three line up here. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. Just click on challenges. Click on challenges and wait for it to load. Now that it is downloading, it will bring you to this place. It will bring you to somewhere like this. It will bring you to somewhere like this, and here we have crypto, and we have on the other side we have Forex. So the one we are going to go for is Forex. Make sure you click on Forex. Don't go for the crypto one because it might require money from you. So click on the Forex one, right? You don't have to bother about what I just did. What I just did is that I just changed the ratio of the screen. So right now, to claim your bonus, the next thing you have to do is for you to click on start, and as you can see, it is for free. So make sure you click on Forex, make sure you select Forex, and once you select Forex, just click on start, and you are selecting Forex challenge. So click on start, click on start again, and enter your country, your phone number, enter the code that will be sent to you. Because the code will be sent to you, enter the code and click on this box, and once you're done, just click on start. So now that you are done, when you go back to your dashboard, you will see the $5,000 profit on your dashboard. All right, when you go back there, you see it on your platform. So the next thing we are going to do is that I'll be showing you how you can log in and start trading your profit account. So as you can see down here, this is trade. So the next thing for you to do is to click on trade. So click on go to trading. So once you click on it, once it is downloading, it will tell you to sign in into your CTrader account so that you can start trading. Like I said earlier, I told you that the account that we are going to be using to trade is the account that we are not really familiar with. All right, so they will tell you to open your CTrader account. Now I'm going to show you how you can sign in your CTrader account for you to start trading your free 5,000 profit account. So as you can see right now, I am here in my Play Store and I am downloading the CTrader app. So you should also do the same thing in order for you to sign in your 5,000 profit account and start trading. So now that our CTrader account is done installing, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on open. So now once you get to this place, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter the email that you used the other time and the password that you used the other time. And once you're done with that, just click on create C trading ID. And I want you to note that until you are able to pass this 5,000 profit challenge, you won't be able to get your money for you to start trading your normal trading, for you to get your funded trading money. All right, so you must make sure that you pass this free $5,000 profit account, because once you pass it, the money will be split into two, and you will get your own and they will get their own also. All right, this you can make a huge amount of money from this 5,000 profit account. So proceeding to you signing up, enter your email, and once you're done signing in, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. It's going to bring you to this interface. As you can see, this is the platform. The CTrader app has been opened. So now I will show you where you can start trading from. So over here, you can click on add symbols for you to select your currency pair and start trading. As you can see, this is it over here. The amount that is in your account is a $5,000 for you to start trading for free. You've deposited a free $5,000 into this account for you to start trading. Once you click on add symbols, these are the symbols that you'll be adding. These are the symbols that you'll be adding. You can choose Forex, so you choose AUD, CAD. You can choose any one of your choice to trade. You can choose any one of them. Alright, so you can choose them, and this is it over here. This is the chart. For you to place order, you can either place the order over here, or you can come here and place new order over here. Select the symbols and place the order that you want to place. All right, for more information, stay tuned on our Telegram channel. We'll guide you through how you can start trading it, and we'll also guide you through how you can withdraw your money from it. If you know that you find this video very beneficial and you were able to claim yours, make sure you drop a comment below, and make sure you like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your trading.